By the end of this video, you will have a personal assistant inside your mobile phone. This assistant can book an appointment with somebody. You just have to provide the name of the person, the email address, and what date and time you want to connect him with. Then this assistant can fetch all the emails you have received in last 1 hour or 2 hours and provide you a summary. So let me give you a quick walkthrough of this assistant. You can open this inside your mobile phone. I am opening this inside Telegram website. So the functionality will be the same. So let's start by booking an appointment. Please book an appointment with Sumit. The date is 11th November at 3 p.m. The email address is pradipfor@education@gmail.com. The meeting is for personal reason. Then this chatbot will process all the information that I have provided, and this voice message will be converted to text fast, means transcribed by using an OpenAI API, and this is processed by an AI agent, and it is telling that the appointment is set for November. So let me check. Yeah, at 11th of November, the appointment has been booked successfully with this person. And if I open the email that I have received, the confirmation email, and the next scenario is I want to get a summary for the last 1 hour that I have received inside my Gmail. Please provide me all the essential emails I have received in last 1 hour. Then it will process the information. Let's check inside my n8n workflow. This is running, so it is just fetching all the emails that I have received in last 1 hour and provide me all the essential emails that are required my attention and give me a complete summary of it. So let's wait for the execution fast. Yeah, I've received the message that several appointment confirmation email, notification, and bank transaction is there, and some group information. So this is the chatbot you can build by following this tutorial. So let's start. I will be following 2 simple steps to build this personal assistant. So in the first step, I will show you the way to build the Telegram chatbot, and in the second step, I will connect the chatbot with my n8n workflow. So in the first step, go to your Telegram app or go to web.telegram.org in the Telegram website and search for bot father. Type /start, and then it will guide you to how to build the Telegram chatbot. So just type new bot to create a new bot. After that, it will ask you to provide the name of the bot. You just name it as personal assistant. After that, personal assistant, and it will tell you that the name should be end with BOT. So name it accordingly. Then it will give you an HTTP API access token. Just copy this, and your bot is ready to go. And for the next step, in the Telegram node, just create a new credential and paste the access token here and just save. And your Telegram bot is connected with the n8n workflow. This starts with a Telegram node. So you just send a voice message or text message, and this Telegram node will receive that. It is the receiving in terms of chat or voice. If I provide you the executions, here you can see that it is receiving a voice message, and this is the file ID. So there are 2 scenarios. That first is the chat message, means text message, and second is the voice message. So then I will check if this is a voice message or text message by this execution. That is JSON message voice, means if this is a voice, this will convert it to true, or this is a chat, then this will be converted to false. After that, I have the switch scenario, means if the voice is there or chat is there, in which path I have to take. So if this is voice, then it will return true, or this is not voice, this will return false. If this returns true, means I have sent the voice message, then what it will do, it will download the voice message as an audio file. Okay, I will just have to pass the file ID here. If I copy this to the editor and show you step by step, see, this is returning me this enter object where his voice is true. Okay, And if I check the path, what path it has taken. Okay, so it is taking the audio path. Okay, so this will go through this path. To get the audio file, I have just passed this file ID. Okay, json.file ID. It is taking this and it is downloading me this audio file. And after that, I just pass this inside OpenAI API to convert this inside as an text file. So please provide me all the essential emails I have received in last 1 hour. So means by this end of this both nodes I am getting just a text input I have provided. Okay. After that, I am taking both the nodes inside one node, that is appending both the text or the voice to get the both node at the same time. I don't know what node I am receiving, so I just merging them all. After this, I am inside this JavaScript code to take this as this format. If this is a text message, I am getting that get both nodes dot text, or this is a voice message, I will receive this by using this transcriber decoding. So I'll just take this. In both of the scenarios, I will get the both text has the same input, right? So by this end of this output, I am receiving that text. Please provide this blah 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 in 1 hour. Okay. After this, I am fetching. After getting the text, I am providing the same text to my AI agent. Yeah. This message, and this is the system prompt I have provided this. You can read this by taking your time and what it will do, and I have provided all the information, all the role I have defined to this AI agent. Okay, you can use any ChatGPT or any model like Claude, Gemini or Grok. I am using the OpenAI model. You can connect this by using your API key by going to direct platform.openai.com and get an API key from this setting. Yeah, API keys, and you can create a new secret key and provide the same to this API key input box. Okay, you will get the credentials. And I have connected the simple memory. What memory will do? It will remember all the information I have provided from the past 10 messages. Yeah, context window length means how many messages I want to remember. Okay. You just have to provide the key here. Key means I'm providing the chat ID as the key. Means I am in the same chat window, so that it will remember all the chat history. After that, inside the tools, I have connected 3 tools. First is the get mail, means getting all the mails inside from my Gmail inbox from last 1 hour I have received. Okay. So get many means many mails I want to fetch from this Gmail node. Check the time of receiving the mail. Okay. And I'm limiting the mail as 50, means instantly 50 mails I can receive inside this AI agent. If I'm telling this that please book an appointment, it will just go to this calendar node and create an event for me with the person I have provided on the email address. Okay, you just have to create a new credential here by providing the client ID and client secret. You have to go to google.cloud console and get the both credentials. There is a video YouTube. Please follow that tutorial and get these credentials by this node, and the appointment will be booked successfully. And for the third node, the confirmation email will be sent to the person whatever you mentioned in the chat box, means the email address you have mentioned in voice or text, right? So in this, send operation will be performed, and you will be set automatically by the AI agent, means whatever person you have mentioned, right? And the subject line and the body, both the messages will be set by the AI agent. And if all the tasks are performed successfully, the final output like this will be sent directly to your Telegram chat as a text format. You can receive as a voice format as well by converting this text into voice by using another node. That's simple. That's all in this tutorial. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. And if you want this complete workflow, please follow the description. I provided the link there. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.